Firstly, I thank anyone who is able to donate to help us finish our Almost There community project. See the link below in the description of how to donate. Check out the previous episodes of this series in my playlist or in the links below to see more about our restoration and renovation of this rural Cyprus farm building. My hopes, aims and intentions are to be able to give a location for anyone wanting a creative space for such things as yoga, language lessons, dance classes, meetings, etc. and with the addition, if required, of accommodation, or solely use of the accommodation for a rural relaxing holiday in an authentic Cypriot location. As previously mentioned, YouTube does not monetize in Cyprus, so help us spread the word by sharing this video in all social media and to everyone you know. Currently, we do already offer Airbnb accommodation, one double bedroom in our house with complimentary breakfast. This is up and running and available now to book on the Airbnb links below. We are hoping in the very near future to accept work-away persons to come and stay with free board and breakfast in return for 3 hours work per morning, leaving the rest of your day and evening free to explore Cyprus. This is ideal for digital nomads also. We're also seeking creators to run classes or share any creative skills, either to enhance our environment or to teach others. Join us in this journey to create an affordable, unique experience by donations, booking or sharing your free time or skills. Share, donate, create.